issues, but you didn't talk any about the prevention of.
Congratulate PIMS Hospital on the establishment of their stem cell and
and Vice Chancellor of Shaykhul University. He is also offering this session. The principal director of medical college, medical college.
Say one line for burns, that burns leave scar on the body, but leave back the people.
जो गुजरे हुए कल खत्म करना चाहते थे, गुजरे हुए कल, आने वाला कल नहीं, गुजरे हुए कल, ये तो लोगों के ऊपर। अभी देखिए अभी नवंबर में फिर है कैंपेन इंशाल्लाह, लेट्स सी क्या होता है।
Mustafa sahab, you're doing very well about the health issues. What did you say about this program? This program is related with the burn issues, but you didn't talk any about the burn issues.
I talked about the prevention of burn. When I talked about the saving our girls, making some good legislation for the to save acid burn cases, I talked about the burn issues.
Ma'am, what did you say about the program which is held by the PIMS Hospital today?
I congratulate PIMS Hospital on the establishment of their stem cell and skin bank. It's a very important component of burn care treatments in a holistic fashion.
And this program is related with the burn issues, and Federal Minister didn't talk about address the issue. What did you say?
He spoke a lot about burn prevention, which is an essential part of our mission in treating burn cares, ultimately to prevent them from happening.
And thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.